Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a BMW M2. Let's start by sketching the basic outline of the car. Use light lines to define the main body and the positions of the wheels. Think of it as building a simple foundation for your drawing, ensuring the overall proportions are correct from the very beginning. Now, let's bring in some of the BMW M2's signature features. Carefully draw the iconic kidney grills and the distinct shape of the headlights. Then, add the side mirrors and the main door lines. Pay close attention to the subtle curves and sharp creases along the car's body, as these give it character. Moving on, let's focus on the wheels and the rear of the car. Draw the circular shapes for the wheels, adding details for the rims and tires. Then, define the taillights and the rear bumper. Don't forget to include the exhaust pipes and the diffuser, which are key elements of the M2's sporty look. Finally, it's time to refine your drawing. Gently erase any unnecessary construction lines and sharpen your main outlines. Now, add shading to give your BMW M2 a three-dimensional appearance. Use darker lines in areas that would be in shadow and lighter lines for highlights, bringing your sketch to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.